morning friends, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Today I am here to teach you about numbers. In nursery class we will learn numbers from 1 to 10. So let's see the first number, that is number 1. So you can see here how to draw number 1. So from one dot you will go down, you will draw the standing line and it will be number 1. So how many suns are there in sky? Only one sun is there in the sky. So kids, you can see here in my book, you will draw one standing line from the dot towards downward. One standing line downwards. One standing line downwards. One standing line downwards. So this is how you have to practice number 1. How many suns are there in the sky? Only one sun is there in the sky. How many moons are there in the sky? Only one. So your today's homework from this class for number 1 is that you have to draw sun in your copy and you have to color it. And what is the color of sun? It is yellow in color, right? Very good. And after 1, number 2 is there. What number? Number 2. Number 2. So how you have to write number 2? Number 2 you have to write, take a half from a point, draw the half curve, slanting line and then sleeping line. That makes the number 2. And repeat, from the dot make half curve, this is a half curve, then slanting line and sleeping line. This is number 2. In this picture you can see how many hands this boy is having. 2. Look at your hands. How many hands do you have? 2. Look at your ma'am hands. How many hands ma'am is having? 2. Right? So how you have to trace and write? So start from the point, half curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Half curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Half curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Right? And from number 2, you have one homework, and that is dip your hands in red color, stamp on a sheet and paste that sheet at the space given below. Here, what you have to do? You have to dip your hand in the red color and then you have to paste it here. So that's your homework for number 2. And let's go and see what number 3 is doing. Okay, so here comes number 3. So in your tricycle, how many wheels do you have? Or you can see in the picture also, tricycle has 3 wheels. 1, 2, 3. So tricycle is having how many wheels? 3 wheels. So let's see how to write number 3. From the dot, start like this and again one half curve and again second curve. That makes number 3. So how to write? Half curve and another half curve. That makes number 3. Half curve, another half curve. That makes number 3. Half curve, another half curve. That makes number 3. So that's the way how you have to practice writing number 3. Now let's move and see the next number 4. Wow, how many balloons you are having? Can you count them? Let's count. So you count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is number 4. look here in this picture. How many leaves are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are how many leaves? 4 leaves. How to make number 4 now? Kids, look here. Draw a slanting line from the dot. Draw a slanting line, sleeping line and standing line. Slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. Slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. It will make number 4. Very good. Now let's move to the next number, and that is number 5. See in this picture how many oranges are there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many oranges? 5 in this picture you can see. Oranges of which color? It is orange color. Okay. Who likes to eat orange? I like to eat orange. What about my students? You also like to eat orange? If yes, please raise your hands. Now let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many oranges are there? There are 5 oranges. Very good. Now how to write the number 5? Look here. From the dot, trace sleeping line, small standing line and curve. Sleeping line, standing line, curve. Sleeping line, standing line, curve. Sleeping line, standing line and curve. Sleeping line, standing line and curve. Sleeping line, standing line and curve, and this will make number 5. So for today's homework from number 5 is that you will draw 5 oranges in your notebook and you will color it with orange color. So hope you have learned today how many numbers? 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the more numbers, we will make another class, and in this class we will study about numbers from 5 to 10. Till that time, practice and do your homework and come again. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye-bye.